Ka sarkar jela kala pentip ba kamshim ladon setia ka Jingjia Umsnam ha Khappud ke jela Meghalaya bat ke Bangladesh ya kenela pentip da menteri ketenat jengok kai pertai ba polling do. Ula ongru ba ka sarkar jela kala Shimkhia ha ke Bayade bat ke Jingma ke Bala banmi na ke daw jong ke Jingwan rung beain jong kinong shong snong ke ri Bangladesh.
You must have realized that the state government has taken this matter very seriously, which is why in the last couple of days, our Chief Minister and Home Minister have met both the Union Home Minister as well as the Chief Minister of Assam. I will be meeting the CM tomorrow and will get more insight into the details of their discussions, which I can then share with you. But we are happy that we have got the full support of the center on the matter, and that till date there has been no major skirmishes or acts of violence in the international border which we share with Bangladesh. Well, we're fortunate that we have a very powerful instrument called the Sixth Schedule. Our Department of Arts and Culture has just accommodated the installation of a bust of Reverend Nicholas Roy at Larity Complex. Now, the very fact that the entire state of Meghalaya, all the scheduled areas of Meghalaya, do not fall under the CAA, that itself is a protective mechanism. And whoever tries, even using force, to settle in any of the villages, Dorbar Shnongs are present everywhere. And also, please recall that we have already gone ahead with the idea of reviving the village defense parties throughout the state. These will effectively combat any major challenges in the respective villages and also seek the support of the police wherever that is required.